Hey guys, so I know I look a little crazy, but I did want to come in so y'all can see my before, what I'm thinking before. I'm currently running late. I have about 6 minutes to get there, but I think I'm about 6 minutes away from my house. But today I don't feel like I have to get my hair washed, and my hair is a lot, y'all. Like, my natural hair, it grew back. If you've been following me for a minute now, you know that I cut it off a couple years ago. Well, cut it so that it could be a little bit more manageable. A couple years ago, it's growing back, so it's just thick and it's hard to manage, and I just can't. So I booked an appointment at the Dominicans to like get it washed and blow dried, and I'm pretty sure they're probably gonna straighten it or whatever. I'm not really expecting much from the straightener because my hair isn't trained. So it's probably not gonna be like a wow type of thing, but I just want it to be manageable so I can get it cornrowed and throw my wig back on. So that's legit. If it come out good, I'll wear it for a few days, or I'll put it in a ponytail. I thought my hair could go in a ponytail because the back is the part that I cut, so it's a little shorter. So I went in and I detangled my hair before I went, just because every time people touch my hair or something, they create this excitement about it being thick or it's hard to manage, and I know that. So just to alleviate some of all of that reaction, I decided to go ahead. So I detangled it, and right now I have them in some twists with a plastic bag and my bonnet over it. So when I go in, it's just an easy shampoo and conditioner, and then they can straighten it or blow dry it and then straighten it for me. Let's go right now. It's 4:11 and my appointment is at 4:15. I told y'all I was gonna get it straightened, but I didn't. I actually got it curled. I don't know, I'm not used to myself like this, so it looks kind of weird, but the curls are fine. It was really quick. As soon as I stepped in, she started me, because obviously it's by appointment and nobody else was in there. She started on me. It took less than an hour. I told you I was driving out at 4:11 and I got home at 5:11, so it took less than an hour. It's really quick. Really nice. My hair feels so clean and silky and light. Boy, my hair really needed to be washed, and it was cheap. It was just $60, so it was really cheap. I thought I was gonna spend way more, but yeah, I'm glad with the results. I'm done washing my own hair. I'll be going there from now on, just to alleviate some of the pressure off of me and stuff like that. But yeah, I wanted to vlog a little bit more today and give y'all, like, you know, some of the stuff that I'm doing behind the scenes. But right now it's 5:30. I gotta go to work. Actually, I think I'm gonna go in the building tomorrow to work and get some work done for the next report period. I need to plan lessons for next report period and everything like that. The kids are taking their math test tomorrow, which is for my class. So all the math teachers got testing tomorrow. Each day was dedicated to a specific subject area. Tomorrow's ours. So I think I'm gonna go in the building so I'm not distracted at home and get some work done, get my unit map out the way that's due, submit grades and stuff like that. So yeah. Actually, speaking of that, I need to go put up my benchmark. But anyway, guys, I'll check y'all in the morning. Or if something else happens for the rest of the night. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. So today is MLK Day. So happy MLK Day. Obviously, I'm off from work today. It's my last day off per se. Back into the building. Oops, sorry for the shaking. We're back in the building tomorrow. So I haven't been to the building since December, maybe 20th or the 21st. So like I had a good little run at home. I'm going back into the building tomorrow. So me decide that we're gonna go on the road today, just because like Sweet's always not at all. It's like there's nowhere to go in the winter time, and that's kind of rough, you know. So I was like, all right, let's go somewhere. I need some maternity clothes for work. I really don't have. I feel like over Christmas break my stomach grew, and like my pants at work before were tight, so I know they're gonna be tight now. And I don't like wearing tight stuff over my stomach. It's just uncomfortable, and I don't like wearing them below my stomach either. So I'm gonna get some stretchy stuff that I can put above my stomach, and stuff like that, so I can be a sexy baby mother. So cute. Oh, me alla chat. Hey Sweet, say hey. Hey. I can nice up on the video.
First A?
No, oh you say it. I know what you say now. Oh you say I'm telling about that finger there.
Okay.
So yeah, me and Sweet are gonna do road today because work I pick up back, so I'm going back to work and everything like that. So you know. We're gonna go get smoothies right now. I've been making a lot of smoothies at home every day, and I think I told you that in one of the vlogs. But we're kind of out of ingredients, and I don't feel like going to this grocery store right now. So we're going to Smoothie King. We went yesterday, and Sweets drink off my smoothie, my flavor I'm gonna get. So we're gonna go back there today, and then we're gonna go to the mall. Shop coming to the mall with us. So he might get ready right now while we go grab the smoothie. So hopefully by the time we get back, he'll be ready to go. So yeah, that's kind of what we're upon right now. It's kind of late getting on the road. We're probably gonna be in traffic and stuff like that, but at least we're not in the house because we've been inside. We're outside today. The parents them outside today. Talk truth. What do you think you don't say? You don't know? What do you think you don't say?
What is it? Alright.
We're outside, not man, them outside. Right, true. So yeah, that's what we're really up to. And anything you want to say, Sweet?
You outside them
me outside, and the girl, man, them outside. You outside, and the girl, them outside. Right, true. Alright. Yeah?
I don't need it, man. What's up, YouTube?
No, it's up on it.
Oh.
You're going to make YouTube channel? And then we ask you if we delete it for.
But just make a video.
Oh, you're gonna make a video?
No.
Alright guys, we'll check on it later when we get to Smoothie King. I already know what I want, and Sweet's gonna copy me, so yeah, we're getting the same thing. And I'm getting the big one that I got yesterday. Extra banana. He want extra banana in his. I don't want no banana. What banana good for? It can be a banana good for build up sperm count.
I like, but if
but my thing, why I need to build up sperm count right now?
Another one. Like,
another what? Another one? Straight.
Another one.
You tell me, cause you bought another one. Another one for another 5 years,
another
boy.
Smoothie.
Another smoothie. But yeah. So we'll catch another one. We'll go to Smoothie King.
Somebody you feel dead back, feel me feel very tight. Tell them who no get afraid of me, dog. The bang of them ready and now we are very tight. Bad man, Salon. R.I.P. to a real killer. R.I.P. to a real killer. R.I.P. to a real killer.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So today my mom is up on the road. She keeps saying that I'm procrastinating. Shab lie, mommy. Shab not saying he put me car over half tank. What? I'm an idiot to believe him, you know.
Me know Shab put no part that gas in there.
I'm like, first.
That's why I said to the last time. I only go up a road with my van. I only know say I couldn't
put local gas in there.
I don't drive you out now. I figure out work.
Oh, it's kind of dark. But yeah, mommy said I procrastinate, y'all, because yeah, baby back the park for 6 months. So we're going on the road today. We did get the baby stuff. We only need to get what, Pampers and receivers and some socks. But that's it. For me, I need everything. Toiletries, nightgowns, all of that. So we're going to do that before mommy go work. I'm gonna stop and get a smoothie.
Yeah, the smoothie.
Smoothie. Then I won't until February 2nd. First it is January 17th.
So where you
going? The one upon Westchester Park.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get a smoothie. Look here guys, we leave the water in our car and it's frozen.
That's what tomorrow and freeze up. So I'm
in around to come in and come drink them. Because on a long day in here.
No, you can't drink them still, but me I say you know me not drink cold water like
oh yeah. Really cold, so yeah. So when we get on the road and stuff, I'll check back in with y'all, but I'm just at drive right now. So guys, we got our smoothies.
Can I forget one big one?
But I forget that big one because this is like a meal. I got the 32-ounce Caribbean way. When we got the same one, but we got a 20-ounce. It's good. I think they put too much banana in it today for me, but I like it. So guys, we're in Walmart right now. Music is playing, so I might have to speed this up, not sure yet. But I forgot to vlog. Forgot I had my camera, but we went to Marshall's in Burlington just now. Burlington had nothing, so I didn't get anything in there. But Marshall's I've got some sleepwear, like, what do you call them? sleep dresses. What call them again? Night gowns. Yeah, I got some night gowns and like a pajama set, like a top and a bottom. I think I got 3. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna get another one. I'm just asking all my friends and mommy think me for Carol, will you put something? Which I don't plan to live at the hospital. I don't like hospitals. So as soon as I can get out of there, I'm out. So I think 4 nightgowns and stuff for me is okay. And then I just gotta get some toiletries for myself. I feel like the baby is set now. The only thing I need to pick up for him is the newborn Pampers, and I'm just gonna get a small pack because everybody tell me don't buy a lot of newborn stuff because you get that at the hospital, but you know, I'm just gonna go with a small pack, probably with a 20 in there, because you do get them at the hospitals. And this is why I can't be vlogging, y'all, because I'll be out of breath. Gma excited bad people.
Yes.
So we're just looking at random stuff. The bibs. And it says thank heaven for little boys. Yeah. Let me tell you, this baby, I need to create out one budget for himself at this point, because my personal money my fair use now. So me, it's no more me. It's no more me. I budgeted yesterday and I'm using my personal, y'all, if y'all watch my cash stuffing, ooh, focus. Yeah, so if y'all watch my cash stuffing videos, y'all know I usually have an envelope for like me, but it's stuff I need. I mean, thankfully I don't need nothing right now, so the baby getting all that money. Out of breath, y'all, out of breath. Oh. Okay, so I need to go get my stuff in a book. Every store we're gonna move me find the baby department, and the baby don't need nothing else. I need to go get my stuff, like, you know, I think I'm gonna do diapers. My friend told me to get diapers instead of like the maxi pads. I'm gonna get maxi pads too, but like diapers and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna do that option, because me always want to wear diapers even with all this. Just because, like, I feel like it's convenient and stuff like that. So I mean, I'm hearing all the horror story about how my kitty cat gonna be, and I'm nervous. I'm nervous about all the stories that I keep hearing about that, but I'm gonna have to do a Pampers upon the registry. Speaking of registry, a lot of y'all were reaching out and asking if I'm gonna upload like a registry or open a PO box. I don't know, initially the thought didn't really cross my mind to, like, I wasn't even thinking about it, but I think I'm gonna put the link to the registry in the description box. I don't have a PO box, so if it's something that y'all are interested in doing, please let me know. And probably by the time y'all see this, ooh, look at my hair, it got to be, you know, Kia cup. Probably by the time y'all get to see this vlog, I'll probably have decided what I'm gonna do anyway. But yeah, the registry for sure will be in the description box, and if I decided to get a PO box, that will also be in the description box as well, so y'all can bless baby. All right, so no, we're trying to decide, because I want to stick to one brand of one bag of diapers. So it's either Pampers or Huggies right now. I don't know. We'll make sure I buy Huggies. She said Huggies man shall wear, so, but I think I have Pampers on the registry. Nobody bought it yet, so I can swap them out, I guess. I don't know, y'all. We'll decide and I'll come back and tell y'all what we decide to do. But we just need a small pack anyway. I'm smelling like baby stuff. This is it. It got 31. I think that's the small. On Amazon, they had it for, I think they had a 20 pack. Y'all just ignore my hair up here. I'm just I see to know. Amazon had like a 30 pack, I think. Mama just chewing in. She ready to go. All right, come on, go find my stuff them and then me ready. No. I'm gonna take a pack of wipes. Thank God for Mama, because I would have been like a chicken without a head, not knowing what to do, what to get, nothing. Don't get me started on when it's time for these. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll be all right though. We gonna be all right. We gonna be all right. Alright, so we're getting the Pampers wipes. What's the difference with that and that?
One is sensitive, so maybe you can get sensitive one too.
Huh? Where? Over there. I can't reach that. You can't reach it? We're just gonna get the sensitive one just in case baby K got sensitive skin. Time for my turn. And we came on the road and originally for me, you know, to get my stuff. All right, guys, so this is somewhat of a result of, we had some of these we already had already. Some stuff are coming in from the registry. So yeah, my mom, she's excited, so she said she's gonna wash them and iron them. I don't know if it's just me, but I didn't know you iron baby clothes, like onesies. So yeah, my mom said she's gonna iron them. She gonna iron them and wash them and iron them and stuff. So me, thank you, because I don't got time for that. I mean, if I have to, I will. Let me not say that. I feel like one thing I have to learn on this journey is to not be as selfish. I think I'm selfish in a way, not selfish bad, but like selfish because I've never had to care for anybody, like care for people. Like even my little cousins I've been around, but you know, it's nothing to like make them breakfast or nothing like that, but I've never had to like nurtured or cared for like a human being. So a lot of things I have to learn. Even just now, I went on the road and I'm spending all this money, and I'm low-key feeling a little attitude because I'm just like, dang, I'm spending all this money. But you know, again, it's just something I have to unlearn. I'm just keeping it real with y'all to let y'all know, because usually if I'm buying stuff and I'm spending a lot, it's on me, you know what I'm saying? I'm buying stuff for me, so it feels good. But I guess now it's for my child, so but yeah, I'm just keeping that real. Judge me if you want to, but I'm just being honest. But yeah, so I think we're kind of set. I just need to get some shower shoes, and worst comes to worst, I have Crocs, and I think but my Crocs are high heel, like the heel one, so I think I'm gonna get the low ones. So I need to buy a pair of Crocs, and we got towels and all that other stuff at home, so we don't need to buy none of those, because one thing my mom gonna do is make sure we got good towels in the house, good washcloth and all of that, you know, Jamaican. So yeah, so yeah, everything good. Yeah, this is the deal, y'all.